Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie hummus. First, let's gather our core ingredients. Chickpeas are the star, providing a hearty base. While tahini offers a rich, nutty flavor, we'll use it sparingly to keep the calorie count down. Fresh lemon juice and garlic are crucial for that vibrant, authentic taste. Finally, water or the reserved chickpea liquid will help us achieve the perfect consistency. Now, let's talk about smart swaps to reduce calories without sacrificing flavor. You can cut the tahini by half, or even more, to significantly lower the fat and calorie content. Instead of olive oil, use water or vegetable broth to thin your hummus. Adding roasted red peppers provides a lovely sweetness, and spices like cumin and paprika will boost the flavor profile, making your hummus delicious and light. Getting the right texture is key for great hummus. Start by thoroughly rinsing your canned chickpeas. This helps achieve a smoother consistency. Combine all your ingredients in a food processor or high-speed blender and process until it's completely creamy, which might take about 5 minutes. Gradually add water or chickpea liquid, 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, until you reach your preferred thickness. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings like salt and lemon juice as you go. Your delicious, low-calorie hummus is ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with fresh vegetables like carrots and cucumbers or with whole-grain pita bread. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for 3 to 5 days. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for exciting new flavor combinations. Enjoy your healthy and homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.